I stick with things for about a year usually.
You reckon a year?
Yeah, about a year.
That's over, isn't
golf was 2.5 years.
Oh, you're done with golf, eh?
No, not done with it, but I just don't. I don't wake up going, fuck, I wouldn't mind going.
Fuck, you've had some hobbies. But one thing I do like about you is that, like, I'll probably get, like, I've always been fascinated with motorbikes. Probably a bit too tentative or to try it. But you see something you like and like, fuck, I'm going to have to give that a go.
Well, what's wrong? Like, I give it a go. Okay, I didn't love it that much. I'll move on to something else.
Yeah, that's
Sell the
right.
and you know, like you never know if you never go. Like,
Probably resigned to the fact you're not going to be a motocross champion, but you're happy fucking doing what you're doing.
Enduro probably fucking dominated that for a few. No, definitely not.
He's thought about it. He's thought about it. He's even got a nickname. Yeah. He bought a sticker kit for the bike he doesn't have.
No, but like I just thought, well, I'm excited about it.